Hadayana clothing manufacturing and trading. Okay, we're a family business where we produce school uniforms, kids casual wear, and work uniforms. CBI came to us with a lot of information that was very helpful. We looked at export markets and how to understand and study export markets in order for us to increase our exports. We looked at lean production, cost calculation. We looked at best practices in the manufacturing facility. So there was a lot of information that the CBI gave us that made us look at points that were somewhat not clear to us and work on them. You have to understand the information or standards required and implement them in your manufacturing facility in order to export to Europe. We invested in new machinery that we are currently training our employees in how to use this new automated machinery to increase the quality of our product and the output capacity of our manufacturing facility. I believe that the geographical location of Jordan plays an important role in our industry, and a lot of things that have changed during COVID gives us an opportunity in our industry to be a leading exporter of clothes and apparel. So my vision for the future is to grow my business in a way where I can export to Europe, to the USA, and the MENA region.